I was never really worried about Bailey, to be honest with you. You know, 9 times out of 10, you say he's been here before when he knows he's not going to play, but he's made the trip anyway just to be with us. So I know he's come through that. He's here and he's ready to go. Everybody looks at it as a friendly, and but we have to go into it with the right mentality. You know, we've got to try and win the game. We've got to try and start with our strongest team. And of course, if we've got the chance to make changes, we will. But you know, depending on the players, how they are physically and how they're performing. But yeah, we want to win the game ultimately. Really, tonight is the first time we'll be on the pitch with us. He's been with the medical team yesterday. It's funny because not so long back we were reading that what was being said that he hasn't really settled, and he was getting a little bit of criticism from the Spanish media. But if you look at his stats, I think he's got 14 goals. He's got about a dozen assists. It's not bad for his first year, considering he never had a pre-season.
It was obviously good for me to get, into the hotel and rest up and stuff and see the doctor and everything. And I felt much better, Monday morning after a good night's sleep. We have had a lot of games at Swansea in February, but for me, I feel okay, enjoying it. The games that we've played have been good games, ones that you look forward to as a player and stuff. So yeah, no fatigue from my point of view, really.
We're very pleased to come here to Wales. Play away is good, and it's a good game for us. Good, I think, my experience to play a team from Britain also, so we know that we will get a good fight. UEFA have changed the possibilities to play friendlies. The few friendlies we have is even more important. So it's always a little bit of a combination. You want to, of course, work with what you think is the starting 11, but also we need to have some younger players getting experience from international football.
They'll be well organised. They lost out, of course, in the playoffs to Croatia. If you can field the strongest team more often, and I think Iceland were able to do that, and that creates confidence. And you get some good results, and you build on that, and that's what Iceland have done. And yeah, they're a good team. We know it'll be difficult tomorrow night, but it goes to show what can be done,